Which is a better phone, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus or the Camon 30 4G? First of all, I can say it's kind of crazy that the Spark series, despite its shady beginnings, can now finally challenge Tecno's flagship lineup. And the Spark 20 Pro Plus brought a lot of game-changing decisions which made it one of my favorite Tecno phones of all time. But is it enough to beat or even compare with the similarly priced Camon 30 4G? So I'm going to run through these 7 categories with something really surprising along these lines, starting with the unboxing experience. Here I can tell you that there is no real difference as both packages come with everything you ever need, such as a charging brick and USB cable, the SIM ejector tool, as well as a protective case which should be necessary for worst case scenarios, just like this. So it's a draw. But could the next category being design end up a draw as well? Let's find out. So basically, what makes the Camon series Tecno's most premium lineup is regards to their phone's build quality, something which the Spark series on the other hand has struggled with. Most Spark phones before now were made up of plastic, which made it vulnerable to flexing and material deterioration over time, which wasn't pretty. But in the Spark 20 series, the Spark 20 Pro Plus especially went in the different direction.
Jacob, where you go? Jacob!
It's made of glass with a silicone or eco finish which repels fingerprints, which is the exact material the Camon 30 4G is made of. In fact, the Camon 30 4G is slightly less premium because it has a plastic frame as opposed to aluminium on the Spark 20 Pro Plus. And though it makes the phone lighter, it is still less premium. The camera module design of both phones are identical, which causes minimal table wobbling. There's even a red dot at the top left corner of the Camon 30 4G. Tecno calls it the breathing light which serves for notifications. I call it the pointless gimmick that no one cares about. So this category is also a draw. But when we flip around to display, which one do you think will be better? Because both phones are 1080p AMOLED panels with a 120Hz refresh rate and really high brightness levels, 1300 nits on the Camon 30 4G and 8000 nits on the Spark 20 Pro Plus. Wait a minute, shouldn't that make the Camon 30 better? Well, no, because the Spark 20 Pro Plus is outfitted with Gorilla Glass 5 and the Camon 30 4G is outfitted with nothing.
Hey yo, what the?
And since both phones are usable under direct sunlight, the point goes to the Spark 20 Pro Plus, which now leads 3-2. Man, those badges are pretty slim. Now let's video on this software because I don't want to waste your time. Both phones are running on iOS 14 slapped on Android 14, so you can expect the same software experience using either phone. And if you are enjoying this video, then I sub the channel will be incomparable. So let's move on to one of the most important aspects of these devices, the performance. Which one between these two phones perform better? Well, it's not surprising that since they're the same price and made by Tecno, that none will actually perform better, as both phones are powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate, which is still an average performing chip and should handle your needs without issues. So this is a draw. Mr. Camon 30, why are you taking so long to catch up with the Spark 20 Pro Plus? When you eventually run out of battery, the Camon 30 supposedly supports 70W fast charging, which is double the speed of the Spark 20 Pro Plus's 33W charging speed. It is quite a shame that you only get a 45W brick bundled in the box. So if you want that 70W speed, you have to reach out and get a compatible 70W charger, which is more money for Tecno. So both phones are level on points at 4.4. But now to the most important category to compare, the cameras. The Camon 30 4G brings a 50MP main camera which shoots in 2K, and the Spark 20 Pro Plus brings a 108MP camera which also shoots in 2K. But why the Camon 30 4G wins this final category is the fact that unlike the 1080p which Spark 20 Pro Plus selfie camera shoots in, the Camon 30 4G does 2K, which is clearly better and more practical. So the Camon 30 4G slightly edges out the Spark 20 Pro Plus, making it the better phone. But I can say that the Spark 20 Pro Plus is still awesome value at its price, which makes me really excited at how much stuff we could be getting in the upcoming Spark 30 series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Hilary, this is Harry21, and I'll catch you in the next one.